So we're just going to jump right in. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I make the knots to secure my crochet using this free truss deep twist hair. Okay, so we're going to start off in slow motion. Here, I'm just slipping the crochet hook underneath her braid. I find my loop. I pull my hair through once, twist it around, and push it on up to the top. Then I take a small section of hair and I go around and through, underneath and through. And then I just pull it right on up. And that secures the first knot that we made. Okay, so watch again. I insert my hook. I close the latch. Pull the hair through. One loop, cross it over, and pull it through again. Then I take a small piece, and that's the piece that I'll use to create my knot. I go underneath. Sometimes I do it twice. Depending on how thick the piece of hair that I'm using is, I may loop it twice just to give it extra stability. Because you don't want with this loose hair for it to be thin or falling out of your client's hair.